All right, if you're refreshing your brand in 2026 and you have no idea what colors to use, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Krista Jones from Dave and Krista, and in this video, I'm breaking down the 3 color palettes that actually work for websites and how you can use them on your site in 2026. And stick around for the third one because it uses psychology to slow down your visitor's heart rate. Kind of crazy, right? Okay, so Pantone just announced their 2026 color of the year, and it's called Cloud Dancer. It's a warm, airy white, and I know it might not be the most exciting color, but I kind of love it. Pantone isn't the only one that announces a color of the year. All the paint companies like Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, they all do that too. And the colors that the other paint companies chose this year tend to be warm neutrals and earthy greens, which means that 2026 is probably going to be the year of grounded, calming colors that don't overwhelm people. Makes sense after the craziness of 2025, right? So let me show you how to actually use these colors in your brand or on your website. The first color palette that I've curated for you all is a warm neutral luxe palette. It uses Cloud Dancer, a mocha brown, a warm oxblood red, and a warm brass color. And here's why this matters for your website. The oxblood color is going to grab attention without being pushy, which means it stands out in a way that builds trust, but instead of triggering that, they're trying to sell me something feeling, it's warm and it's inviting, which means that your buttons actually get clicked, your forms get filled out, and conversion can happen without you feeling salesy. It's perfect if you're a business coach, a photographer, or a consultant. The second palette that I curated for you is one that we're calling Playful Optimism. It features a warm, buttery yellow color, a berry red, a slate blue gray color, and of course, Cloud Dancer. And I need to tell you that where most people mess up color palettes is that they use bold colors everywhere. And this one that I just showed you has a lot of bold. If you use too many bold colors, your site is going to feel exhausting to look at. This palette works because that slate gray is doing the work for readability, and the Cloud Dancer adds a lot of visual white space to keep it from being overwhelming. The yellow and red are creating these little pops of energy exactly where you need them, which means that your visitors stay engaged without feeling overwhelmed. So use these colors if you're a creative entrepreneur or even a fun, bright, colorful event planner. Anybody with a bold brand, I think, could get away with using this color palette. And then the third color palette we've titled Muted Earth Botanicals. It features a sage green, a terracotta clay, Cloud Dancer, and a deep charcoal gray. And remember how I said that this one uses psychology? Sage green literally slows people's heart rates, which is so wild. So if you're a therapist or a wellness professional, somebody lands on your site stressed out, looking for help, these colors are already creating the calm experience that you're hoping to offer them before they even read your copy. And the terracotta color keeps it from being too clinical. Think of this as your sanctuary palette. Okay, so those are just 3 color palettes that feature Cloud Dancer, but I actually have a few more in a blog post that I'll link below. So click there if you want to see the other 2. And try picking one that feels like your brand. And if you want to see how these colors actually work in action, check out our Showit website templates. And if you're in the market for a new website and you want to try these color palettes in one of our Showit templates, I'll link those below as well. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment and let me know which palette you're going to try in 2026. And I will see you in the next video.